I spoke a little bit too soon. There's one other thing I want to show you in here before we leave 10.2, and that is using DDXL. So if you highlight the column of data right there, I highlighted column A by clicking on the A right there. Then I go to add-ins, I go to DDXL, and we are doing hypothesis tests, so I choose that. Now we're doing a one variable Z test. The two variable stuff is chapter 11. Okay, so we're doing this kind right here, one variable Z test. And then you click on this, click it over there, so that's your quantitative variable. Say OK. All right, now I've got to set mu0 and my standard deviation. My hypothesized mu0 for this problem was 64.05. So let me go back. 64.05. My standard deviation was right here, sigma, 0.06. So let me click in here, 0.06. Okay. My level of significance was 0.01, so I click on that. What kind of hypothesis was I talking about? Left-tailed, two-tailed, or right-tailed? It was a two-tailed test. There we go. And you can see right here, alpha, there's your mu0, right, the mu from your null hypothesis. There's your population standard deviation. Click compute. And there you go, 0.0008, just like we said it was. There's the test statistic of negative 3.34. It doesn't have as many decimal places, which is not quite as nice, but you can edit, copy window, go back in here, and paste. There you go. And you can see here, right here, 3.34, 3.34, 0.0008, 0.0008. It's a little harder to read, but it's there, right? And it says reject. See, we would reject H0 at alpha equals 0.01. And if we can do it there, of course, we can also do it in StatCrunch. So let me show you that. Here, let me click on 10.2 number 25 because that's the data we're looking at. It's going to take it a second. Yes, run it. There you go. So there's all the data. We go to Stat. We go to Z statistics, one sample. This time we have data, so you say with data. And you wait. There it is. Click on that because you're trying to tell it to use that data. Our standard deviation was 0.06. Don't worry about the where or the group by. I don't think we care about that. Next. Null hypothesis was 64.05. It was a two-tailed test, so leave it the not equal symbol and click calculate and cross your fingers. Oh, there it is. Hey, it worked out the same way. Negative 3.34, 0.008, just like we said. So you can copy and you could paste that in right here. See? That value is that value. Right? 0.008, they're the same. Okay, and negative 3.34, negative 3.34, they're the same. It doesn't really tell us what to do. It doesn't make the decision for you. It doesn't tell you like DDXL did to reject. But you can figure it out for yourself, hopefully. If your p-value is lower than alpha, you're going to reject. That's the p-value method. And the classical, if this is either lower than this or if it's higher than this, right? Lower than the low one or higher than the higher one, upper one, you're going to reject. Alrighty, so that's how to do it all with StatCrunch and or DDXL if you so desire. Alright, I'll see you here. I promise next time will be 10.3.